Well, as the temperatures drop and the chilly winds of November sweep through, many of us are firing up our heating systems for the first time in months. Big Mountain Heating and Air is here to discuss the importance of maintaining your HVAC system to better ensure that it's in tip-top condition year-round. Here to help us dust off the heater and welcome back warmth is Baron Larson of Big Mountain Heating and Air. Hello, Baron. How are you, sir?
I'm good. Tracy,
yes,
right?
Yes,
no,
yes.
I'm just kidding.
Who are you? So Baron, this is a true thing. So a lot of us are turning on our heaters for the first time this year, and we're getting sort of a burnt smell. I don't know much about HVACs, but that can't be good. Why is that? What is that smell?
It's normal.
Okay.
It's because we talk about dirt, right? And it's getting circulated through it. You turn it on. It burns that dirt off when you first turn it on.
Okay.
Right? And you get that kind of like, is there something burning? Or what's that smell? And then it goes away.
Okay. So we do talk a lot about dirt, and I'm curious, do you get more, before we get to dirt, do you get more service calls for heating repair or air conditioning repair, just out of curiosity?
Well, like we talked before the program, it's really air conditioning because, you know, I got my coat on, right?
Yeah.
And it's kind of cool in here. But you can't do that in the summertime. But so actually, it's more calls for the discomfort that we experience in the summertime if it's not working.
It is all about the discomfort. Now,
it is.
Back to dirt. You have instilled this in me to clean my filter. It's all about dirt because it's the #1 cause of HVAC breakdowns. So tell us more about this and why it's so important to keep your HVAC unit clean.
Well, it is where a ton of the problems start, and we were talking about one of the problems you got at home, you know, and I explained to you how that gets circulated through the system, and let's just say your furnace will run for a little while, you know, and then turn off after it doesn't get to the temperature that you want it to get, and then it'll come back on later because of the circulation of air that needs to go through to accomplish the heating process. It gets slowed down with dirt buildup, and it overheats. And then a safety switch inside that system gets activated, and it turns it off, as it should, because it's getting too hot and could be dangerous and could be a fire problem. And then it cools down, and you can turn it back on again. And that is, I would bet money that's what your problem is.
Oh, okay. He's already diagnosing my problem. Okay, good. It's all about me. So what sets Big Mountain Service apart? Why is it such a valuable choice for our viewers out there?
What sets us apart is work versus talk, if you will. I mean, really, instead of a sales gimmick, meaning the technician comes in looking like a technician, walking like a technician, dressed like a technician, but very likely he's a salesman and he just wants to sell you something, and rather than performing the kind of a service that you hope that he performs. And so that's what sets us apart. We're spending 2 and 3 hours even on a loss leader price to do the service so that we can gain you as a customer for life by proving to you that we really are serious about what we do. And if our technicians don't accomplish that, and you say, hey, you think Baron overhyped it on the TV, don't pay the technician. And I know you don't want to do that, but call the office. We'll refund your money.
Oh, wow. Well, is there a guarantee provided by Big Mountain for our YCL viewers ensuring the reliability of both their air conditioning and furnace for the upcoming year?
There's the other unique aspect of it. It's for the full year. It's furnace, it's air conditioner, guaranteed against breakdown, or the service is going to be free. Period. You just want the problem fixed. But hey, look, if we didn't do our job, you want your money back, just give us a call or tell a technician take a hike when he's done. And you know, that helps us out too, because I can pitch it and say, hey, we do all of this, but I'm not there. Yeah.
Good point. And I hear the Big Mountain has a treat for our early birds out there. The first 10 viewers who hop on board. What is the special offer, Baron? And why should they grab it?
Well, it's the only place that we offer this price point, $69 to the first 10 callers. And we're going to invest in you. And we know that it pays back dividends as you see what we do. And we can hopefully gain you as a customer for life. And that's the best way to do it, in my opinion.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Well, thank you so much, sir. Good to see you,
as
always. Good to see you, and thank you for helping me with my problem. If you'd like more information, you can visit bigmountainair.com for all the details on their heating and air services.